You're gonna say good morning. Your camera shy now.
No go today.
Today is Sunday.
No go today.
Yeah, there's no school today. I think have kafka. What do you want for breakfast? Wheat Bix, of course. Yeah, tatanong pa ba yan? Tsaka, you don't want Wheat Bix. Why do you have kaf ate?
Mommy, I eat it.
65% off Maldives though.
Daddy.
You
Daddy. Daddy.
Here you go, guys. So, want me to take the dress? Because it's gonna get dirty, ate. Binilan ko siya ng bagong dress kahapon. And matching sila ni Penelope.
No go today.
Ni Ate Pina. Wait, I gotta get Ate's haircut. See the dress, ate? I'll show it to the guys. Ito, guys, oh. Ay, ano ba yun? Ay, criss-cross pa lang kanyang back. Ayan, ang cute, diba? Again, tuto na naman siya. Nakasale na kasi yung mga summer clothes dito. So, ito half price. So, it's dating parang 40 to. Sa Target ko ito nabili. Ngayon, ano na lang, 15. So, tigisa sila ni Ate P niya. So, para sa Philippines, matching sila. Cute, diba, Holly? Suot lang nila to sa kids zone, ah. Sinipon si ate, no?
Mama.
Ha?
Mama.
Mama.
No go today.
Hey, Bobby.
Silly bird. Pretty bird.
No, kasi puro ng mga person. Lamig-lamig kasi. Here, guys. Ipack ko lang ang box. Do you wanna help, Mama? Come here. Riker, do you wanna help Mama? We're gonna tape the box. Ay? Ayan to, guys. Itatape ko na yung box ko. Puro halos damit lang naman yan ni Ate Marivic. So, kailangan ko na siyang itape kasi ipipick up siya mamaya. Riker, can you call Daddy? Maybe I can fit some more in. Sige lang, guys. May iba pa kasing damit dun sa taas. So, baka siya pa pa. Yes, Riker? What?
Mommy,
The box. Yeah, Mommy's gonna close the box. You call Daddy. Oh, not here. That's for Ate. Okay. Close this one. Daddy. Wait a second. Some more J's.
When will this arrive? Will it arrive by the time we're there?
I don't know. End of July.
This is going to go to Penelope in the Philippines.
Ano?
Harley. Penelope's.
Guys, we're already out and about. Walking around today, guys. Ate's here. Ang ganda ng weather, guys. Hi guys. You guys, ang ganda ng dito.
Do you want to go
Walking
on a
view.
jeepney when we're in Pampanga?
You wanna go ride the jeep and the tricycle,
Mummy
baby?
used to when she was young. I think you need to experience it.
You guys, nahanap namin tong place na to for lunch. Ang ganda. Oh, thank you. Ayan, nag-lunch na yung kids.
Got a couple of small plates. Thanks.
Nag-order si Ben ng garlic bread. Hanti naman yung play-doh ni Harley. Na-order lang ko sila ng fish and chips para naman maiba. Pero ang ganda ng view dito. Actually, nakapag-walking na kami dito ni Ate. Before, mabot kami dito, hindi namin alam meron palang restaurant dito. Ano siya? Argentinian restaurant. Tingnan niyo yung mga maliliit na sailing boats din, guys. Kino-control lang yata yan eh. Oh, cute. Pinang-race yata nila yan. Ang mga big kids naglalaro ng kanilang toys. You guys, their food looks so good here. Ayan, nag-share lang kami ni Ben. Caesar salad and then ito yung chimichurri chicken nila. Kain tayo. Guys, tulog na si Riker. Si Harley mukhang paantok na rin siya. We're just going for a drive because it's a beautiful day. Pero yeah guys, ang ganda ng weather. Oh, diba? Ang daming tao sa labas ngayon. Because it's Sunday din kasi. Dito na kami, nakarating na kami dito sa Garden Island. Kami na talaga. Nakagising lang nito ni Riker eh. So, he had a good sleep. Si Ate hindi natulog talaga yan. Anyway. Oh, it's relaxing here. Sabi may mga dolphins daw dito. Ang dami nagka-kayaking here. Hindi nyo lang makita. But this one's a nice walkway. Ayan o, may mga nagka-kayak. Diba?
Mommy, I'm walking.
Walking na daw, sabi ni Riker. Ang dami nag-fishing dito, guys. So, pero it's nice weather. Ayan. Doon kami galing, guys. So, ang mahaba yung walkway na yan. Nakakatakot lang yung mga bata. I mean, si Riker, kailangan mo talagang hawakan yan kasi kundi malalaglag talaga siya doon. Pero mababaw lang naman yung tubig. So, yeah, you don't want him to fall there. Super nice ng weather, guys. So, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful outdoor. Hi? You just need to spend time with family, with your loved ones outdoor.
Yes.
That's the key, isn't it?
And Riker's wearing glasses now.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Get a
He says
headache.
that word too. Oh my god.
You're gonna get a headache.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Mama. Love you.
I think she should have the day off school tomorrow.
You're gonna have a day of
I
school?
think she just needs a day off to recover.
Oh, little
Just
girl.
one.
I
What do you
know.
think? Well, maybe has
Yan
to.
kasi talaga kapag... Should I get her
What?
flu shot? Kasi mauso na talaga yung flu ngayon kasi
Are they too young
na.
at that age?
No, they can get flu
But
shot
she's got
now.
she's got her, no, don't do it because she's got her injections this week.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's this week, isn't it?
No, she's not gonna get injection though. She's gonna get tooth extraction.
Yeah, but they're going to put her asleep.
Yeah, but they put her asleep with the mask,
Oh, okay. So that's, what day is that? Because I've got to have that day off.
Yeah, that's
Thursday?
That's a Thursday. Yes, a Thursday.
What time?
7 a.m. Early.
7 a.m.
Yes. Because she has to fast. She can't, she can only have water by 5 a.m. And then
7 a.m.
yeah, because she needs to fast.
So you've got to get up early.
Yeah,
And then
that's
what
better
time?
because it's if it's 10 a.m. then she can't eat till 10 a.m. You know.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so it's good. It's good.
Oh, she'll have that day off then.
Yeah.
So I'll just spend the morning home.
Why are you putting daddy's glasses on?
So, what time's the bollock bone box?
5. Ay, si ate humiga na talaga siya. Ha? Nabalik ba yan? 5.
Oh,
O, ipipick up pala yung box ko ngayon, guys. Between 5 and 8 p.m. Oh my god.
it wants to be like that.
Daddy then.
Daddy's turn. Tingnan niyo siya, guys.
I'm not in one.
Oh, nilalagyan niya yung glass. Sinusot niya yung glass. Okay, show them. Whoa.
He loves the sun.
Ate just loves the nature, guys. She just loves relaxing. Relaxing. In the sun.
What are you doing with Mummy tomorrow? Little boy, what are you going to do with Mummy?
You guys, bahay na kami kanina pa. Nakauwi kami na alas 13. So, mag-aalas 5 na dito. Magluluto na. Tonight, we're gonna have pork sinigang. Pork sinigang tayo dahil may mga sipon person. I mean, si Harley and Riker. May sipon sila, guys. So, masarap mag-soup. Kasi nga, malamig. Halapitan ko pala kung meron akong sinigang mix. I'm pretty sure meron naman akong sinigang mix kasi marami akong binili nung nag-Pilipino grocery ako. See guys, tantaran! Yes, I do. And it's not expired yet. August 1. Yes. Sa amin, okay na yung isang packet kasi alam mo naman yung mga aking pamilya hindi masyadong mahilig sa maasim. So, yan. Ito na tayo. Ang sarap dun sa kinainan namin kanina. Para siyang pinasosyal na chicken inasal. Pinasosyal na chicken inasal.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much?
Nakakaloka pala yung kanina guys. So di ba naghihiga-higa kami sa grass kanina? And habang nagre-relax kami dun, narinig kaming nag-argue. Hindi, meron kasing lalaki. Kasama, nag-fishing siya, tapos parang pauwi na siguro sila. Tapos, ang dami na nakatambay dun na kalat-kalat lang ng mga tao. Dumaan siguro siya dito sa babae. Tapos, yung lalaki, pinagsasabihan niya yung anak niya. Like, ng malakas. So, Eh, yung bata mga nasa 8 years old yata yun, na babae. Yung parang ano, ang pinagsasabihan niya ng hindi maganda. So, na-trigger siguro si ating nakatambay lang na, oy, bakit hindi pinagsasabihan yung bata, yung anak mo? Ganyan guys, nag-argue na sila guys. Hello. Pero grabe yung lalaki, like yung tatay ng bata, hindi talaga siya nagpatalo. Like, papunta na kasi sila sa car. Tapos, nung sinakay niya na lahat ng gamit niya sa car, bumalik pa rin siya. Bumalik pa siya, sabi niya pa. Like, na high blood talaga siya. Sabi ng lalaki sa asawa ng babae. Sabi niya, itali mo nga yung asawa mo para hindi tumahol. Para hindi tumahol ng, ano, ay, basta, ang pangit ang mga words. Kakaloka. So, tumayo na lang kami. Kasi nasa gitna na sila. Nasa gitna namin sila nakakaloka. Kasi nandun lang kami nakahiga. Tapos dumaan yung lalaki. Kasi ano nga siya, makikipag-batuhan siya dun ng words dun sa babae. Nakakaloka. So, tinayo ko kaagad si Riker kasi malay mo mag-init tapos biglang ano mangyari. So, sabi ko kay Riker, latara na. Sabi ko sa kanila, latara na. So, nakakaloka. Grabe naman kasi yung ano, yung tatay, yung lalaki. Bata pa siya ha. Like, kawawa yung bata. Kawawa yung bata. Kasi sinususugurin niya nga yung babae. Sabi na lang ng bata sa kanya, uy, papa, wag na. Yung nag-ano na lang yung bata. Naawa. Anak niya na umaawat sa kanya. Nakakaloka. He's young pa, no? How old do you think he is? Mid-30s, no? Or even early 30s?
Yeah, right.
That guy. Bata pa siya. Kaya na-high blood talaga yung babae din kasi sabi niya, bata pa yan ang anak mo. Bakit ganyan mo naman pinagsasabihan? Tapos yung lalaki naman defensive siya syempre. Sabi niya, huwag ka mangingialam, anak ko yan, ganyan. Pero kung pagsasabihan mo lang din naman kasi ng mga ganun mga pangit na salita, dapat wag na sa public, di ba na maririnig ng iba. So natural yung iba matatrigger talaga. Like, mangingialam na talaga. Lalo na pag bata pa, may edad pa. Konting sahog lang yung nilalagay ko sa sinigang ko. Kamatis lang, string beans, saka spinach. Tapos yung onion, yun lang. Yun lang yung gulay. Hindi ako naglalagay ng gabi kasi hindi ko type yung malapot na sinigang. Yung gabi, sinigang sa gabi. Hindi rin ako masyado nagsisinigang ng salmon kasi ayaw naman ito ni yung sinabawan na sa na isda. Kaya pork na. Kasi gusto rin ng mga bata. Si Riker actually ayaw niya masyado kasi nga maasim. Pero no choice siya. No choice siya. You like the sinigang naman to, no? You don't mind eating sinigang but it's not your favorite, isn't it?
Not the favorite.
No, yeah. Kinakain naman ito ni Ben so hindi niya lang, hindi niya i-request ba? Like, magluto ka ng sinigang. Hindi niya i-request. Good job, Riker. You say Maria. Pero yung adobo, ayan. Which one you like? Adobo, pork adobo or chicken? Chicken. Tinanong pa eh. Alam naman na yung sagot. Mahilig kasi yan sa chicken. Chicken ang kanyang main protein.
I love you. You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
First time ko maka-encounter ng ganun guys. Like super argument talaga sila. Face to face talaga sila mag-aaway. Buti na lang hindi naman. Buti nga yung asawa ng babae, hindi siya yung na high blood din na Baka siguro iniwasan niya na lang din kasi parang alam niya nga na medyo may tililing si kuya. Kasi nga, kung papatulan niya pa, then mag-aaway talaga sila, no? So, yung babae lang talaga yung kaaway ni kuya, yung asawa. Pero grabe sila magkasabot, talagang harap-harapan talaga sila dyan. Pero, yan, ano lang sila. Change of words lang talaga sila. Anyway. Yung paano pala ako magsinigang, guys, is, ginigisa ko yung onion and, sorry, baka malakas na yung, yung pan. Ginigisa ko yung onion and kamatis. Diba? Tumalansik pa. Welcome tumalansik! Tapos, sinusunod ko yung baboy. Tapos nilalagyan ko na siya ng konting patis. Ang palasa ba? Ayan. Tapos takpan ko lang siya saglit. Tapos nag-init ako ng tubig para yun na yun. Ibabad ko na siya. Tingnan niyo yung dalawa, guys. Ang cute nila dyan. Super cozy habang nanonood ng TV. Mabilis maluto.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this.
Ayan, kinukuha ko yung taba niya, guys. Lumulutang. Si Ben pumunta lang saglit sa store. And then, uwi din yung tatay. Guys, gutom na siya. Gusto niya na daw umupo dyan. gutom na ang bata. Kawawa naman. Kasi normally, 5, kami kumakain eh. Alas 5, 5:30 na. Late na ang 6 o'clock sa amin. Na dinner.
phone.
Do you have a phone? Does Riker have a phone? I didn't know you have a phone, baby. Kain na tayo, guys. Yan ang ating sinigang. Oh, no. Lagyan ko sabaw yung kay ate. Si Riker, hindi ko masyadong nilalagyan ng sabaw yung kanya. Kasi nga ayaw niya to. Hindi niya masyadong type. Pero si ate yan. Gusto niya ang kamatis, green beans. Beans. Do you want some? I'll give you one, okay?
No, what's your bean? What's that bean?
Yeah, it's string beans. It's good for you.
What's the bean?
Throw in the bin. What?
Take the bean.
Yan, ate likes pork. Okay. Saan ba yan? Galitin ko yung kay mama. Lagyan ko konting sabaw. Natin ko mapansin niya.
Moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
pa. Breaker, hinay-hinay.
Stay here forever.
Breaker, you're not in a race, baby.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Huh?
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
That's scary.
Stay here.
Si Riker, pwede talaga yan sa mang inasal. Only rice. Pwede siya sa only rice. Low is it hot, ah? It's not hot? Si ate, di naman inubos ang gulay. Si Harley talaga, only gulay naman yung kay Harley. Opposite na siya. Yeah, can you eat your beans? Oh, good boy! It's yummy, isn't it? No. Give it to ate then. Give it to ate. Ate, oh, bean.
A new federal government campaign to stop
Thank you.
sexual violence has begun tonight, urging families. Sexual violence counselling. 7 News.
Huh?
And Ben joins us.
Can you eat your meat first? Eat this one
Government's
first.
also preparing to add research.
Oh my God, pangalawa. Pangatlo na to. Si Harley, kailangan lang itong subuan. Minsan, kasi nga, lalo na pagkanin, hindi niya pinapansin eh. Pero, ang sinubuan mo, nauubos niya nga. Pero inuubos niya yung gulay. Gulay talaga siya. Kailangan ba sulatan din sa box? Ng anak address? Ay, oo, nalilang ko. May pen ka, kuya? Sige. Good night, guys. Ano na, 7:16 na, guys. Ayan, bedtime na nila. Whose bedtime is it now, Raika? Good night, guys. Oh, blow kisses. Oh, see you tomorrow. Oh.
Vlog every day.
Bye, love you.
Do that when I bloody put you to sleep.
Si daddy nila magpatulog sa kanila tonight. Love you, Bobby. Bye.
I'll you.
Ayun. Mas maaga ko na sila pinapatulog this time, guys. So, kasi before, 8:30 or 8 o'clock or 8:30 nasa bed na sila, tapos 9:30 na sila natutulog. Ngayon mas maaga na. So lately natutulog sila ng by 7:30, tulog na yung mga yan. Yeah. So mas maganda kasi mas hindi pagod si ate kasi nga full on din yung 5 days a week sa school. So, yung, talaga, in-advise ng pediatrician is, bedtime is, kailangan mas maaga kasi nga, mas pagod si ate sa school na. So, ayun. Magpakap lang ako dito. Ang kanilang kalat. So, ito talaga yung room ng mga bata. Kasi ito yung guest room. So, yun. Kaya gusto ko nga bumili ng bed dito, and ibenta ko na lang yung single bed kasi para magamit din tong room na to. Tapos kapag pumupunta sila ate, at least may room ako sa kanila. Ay, pero dito kami nagbabasa muna ng libro. Yung bedtime routine namin is basa ng libro, brush your teeth, Kapag may pasok, part-time yun. Eh ngayon, hindi ko muna sila pinaliguan kasi may sipon nga si ate. So, hindi sila naligo for tonight. Bukas na lang. Okay.